Good morning, guys. Busy day, not because of the workload, but because Mother Nature. We got threatening storms coming at noon. We are trying to get this gravel in. I got a truckload of gravel on the truck now. We'll take this clean stuff, throw it in here. We're gonna get our, let me jump in here. We're gonna get this all backfilled. So we got to come up in this whole area in lifts with clean gravel to get our compaction and come up to this height here. We already pre-cut this so we know it's correct. We come up with all this gravel, then we'll put another 6 inches of stone on this whole thing. But today's goal is get these four or five loads of gravel here, get it in here and compact it before we got rain at lunchtime. So I'll be trucking material. Miko will be installing it in here and coming up in lifts. Stay tuned. Another day. All right, guys, this is load 3. We're coming up in lifts right now. We're gonna get this first lift going, get it nice and flat, hit it with the whacker packer. You just want to get up above that footing a little bit on the first lift, pound it in, and then this is on the outside. We'll pound this too. Rain's gonna be coming. We'll get this one dropped. We'll be good to go. Fighting the weather.
So we got the first lift going and done with. Now we're getting ready for the second lift here. We'll get that all in and get it tamped and compacted. Mike's out on the run right now for some more gravel.
All right, guys, we got our load count in. We got 5 loads here before the rain. Super pumped. I mean, look at this rain coming here. Look at that. Albany's right there. Look at that storm coming in. It's it's about 45 minutes away to an hour. So we got the material here. That's all I'm happy about right now. I mean, look at this stuff. Come on. You know it. I know it. Now the homeowner knows it. Look at this. This comes right out of our banks up here in the Northeast. This is gravel, bank run. Not processed, just right out of the banks. That is unbelievable stuff. Packs, roads, whatever you want to use it for. Unbelievable. So we're fortunate we live in an area we could get this stuff. And yeah, stay tuned. We're just packing it up. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Getting that prepped. I'm going to be taking some of this dirt and backfilling the outside just to equalize the pressure before he pounds on that. That jumping jack really pounds on the foundation, you know, so that's why we give a good healthy foot over the footing, and then when we hit it with that jumping jack, it pounds it, you'll see it pounds it down 6-8 more inches of compaction, and then keep hitting it with another lift, and to reach your 95%. We do compaction tests for the state, federal level, and those jumping jacks really work. You know, we've met the compaction tests with plate tampers and all that too, but it takes a little more time. Alright guys, we're kind of lucking out with the weather. It's flirting with us, but it's not. Been raining, a little sprinkle here and there. Just consolidating the topsoil here because we got to cut this and all that bony stuff. I'll put this topsoil after I grade that out, so it'll be easier for this guy to put a lawn in. But yeah, we're just working both sides. You can see down in there how much that's dropped. Let's try to reach in there. You can see it dropped a good 8-10 inches since we filled that up. That's how much that compacts. So we're just about a foot over that footing, maybe even less on the first hit. I don't know if we'll have enough gravel to get that second hit up to like this, but we hope so. Still fighting the rain, and we are gonna get on the dozer. I dug out this spot over here to backfill with this stuff, and I was running into big rocks. So you see the grade line there. We just got to bring it up so the dirt comes up. I'm gonna stack a couple rocks, and bada boom bada bang, it should be good. Guys, we got a blessing. I wish the weatherman would be rolling like this every day. Unbelievable. We have sun, and that storm missed us. It was rumbling and tumbling, but it missed us. So we got a ton of grade, and we took advantage of it pretty late in the day, and we want to get all this earthwork because we're supposed to get more rain tomorrow. So we got as much as we could, all the lifts in there. We still probably need a load and a half to 2 loads of gravel, but we got the whole thing backfilled and pitched. I cut 4 foot out of the, well, not 4 foot, but a good 2.5, 3 foot out of that whole back hill and made a swell. We built a makeshift retaining wall right there out of all the blocks that come, all these rubble rocks, big rocks come out of that hill when we were trying to put the swale in and cut the grade and backfill with the material. So we did a perk for the homeowner and built him a little retaining wall because he had to do something there for the grade. Just things that we do, you know, as a favor and no charge. And it's just, you know, it's not, obviously if it was a paid wall, it would be a little more time spent on it, but we blew that in and it serves a purpose, repurposed the rocks, so instead of just throwing them in the woods. But yeah, we're just cutting the grade here for the parking area now. We just shot it. We said let's get it done, work a little later because we got rain coming and we don't want to work in slop tomorrow. And then all we got left is to do the bring this up, subgrade up, and then 6 inches of stone on top of that. Then we'll be ready for floor. But yeah, this is starting to shape up pretty good. I'll give you a walkthrough as soon as I get out of this machine. Yeah, baby, sun is still shining. Look at that, huh? It's getting hot, it's nice. We got the grade pitching this way and going. This grade up here was way up here. This was, you can see the grass here, so this was 2.5, 3 foot higher over here today. We got the grade coming here. We created a swale. You probably can't see it with the camera. Put the rest of the topsoil up in there, regraded all that out. So now his water is going to come out there. Anything that comes here won't hit this foundation. It will come down this swale we made. And then, you might be able to see it now. And then we did a makeshift wall here out of all the boulders that come out of this ground here. We just slapped them together to hold back the retainage here of this, because our tire line was right here. So we had to put the dirt there. And yeah, this is gonna work. So the water should go right out there, and there's a little creek right there. And then Miko right now, we're cutting this for our crusher run, that blue stone. We'll put fabric down 6 inches and make that his little parking area. I just ripped the tree out there because we say it's in the way, and I threw it up on top. So that will give him a little more room because he's got a trailer and stuff. And this side we got all graded out. So basically the goal here was to make it, after he gets his grass all in, it's up that this foundation just look like it sat in this hill. And you can see it's gonna, the grades really worked out pretty well. I mean, we got 9 foot walls in the back. I don't know if I got a video of that this morning to show you how tall they were, but craziness. You got 9 foot of creek buried in. Yeah, so we're in the foundation. See the gravel all processed. We got one more lift to do, so that will be 3 lifts total that we lifted here. Tomorrow we'll bring in a truck, probably 2 more trucks to polish this off. All right, now you can see Miko got off the dozer. He graded all this out. We put the dirt over there where we took the tree out. Got a swale going here. You probably can see the swale now. Right on up there. We'll just connect it to there in the morning from that wall to that swale. Be good to go. All right, we're in awesome shape, ready for the rain. And you know, we're grateful for this weather we just got. I'm tickled to death, so I feel like I just won the lottery. So stay tuned for tomorrow, and thanks for watching, guys.